So, what's up guys? Welcome to today's continuation of this thing. Last night I know we got the hood closed, but now we have a special guest over here using his good old skills, the man Cricket from Drift HQ.
What's up guys?
They
put me to work.
They're here to dyno a car. It's actually in a dyno right now. We got some issues that's being sorted out with the transmission guy. So he's using his time wisely and helping me make a front end for this car. So let's see what he's doing.
100-day blacksmith. Heat it up and bend it up. Heat it up, beat it up, then switch sides. You know? Just like Trick Daddy. Hey, y'all got Sharpies just lying around like you made them money.
I know, right?
Take one of these bitches home with me. People always like to steal mine. Get the first bracket in there.
Okay, and then we'll just make tabs off
Of this, have the nut certs, and you just bolt right to it. And then we'll do the same thing for the headlights. We'll do a tab for nut cert. Once I figure out where it goes, the headlight goes.
Here. What'd it look like?
Chaser.
Looked like we took the jack away and it's still sitting right there.
We still got a gap, Cricket. What are we missing?
We need a shim in between the nut certs.
Oh, to push up everything?
Yeah, we'll just lift it up with the shims.
Looks good. It doesn't look like the red one at HQ.
It don't, but you know.
That thing was like a frame
you
up
give me a
resto,
little chop
bro.
saw like this and some crusty ass drill
Hey,
bits.
this is what
no
built that
plasma
BMW.
cutter.
This is what built that BMW. Remember that. See that right there?
Bro,
Yeah.
you should see what we built with the hopes and dreams.
I'm sorry,
from
we're not over here with
Harbor
a
Freight
whole
Hopes.
tool sponsorship. You know?
I ain't got no
Bro,
tool
my guy's
sponsorship.
balling.
We've been Harbor Freighting for our whole lives,
Harbor
bro.
Freight Hopes and Dreams. Buying the cheap shit. Alright.
So now we have a front end, thanks to Cricket. Thanks for
Welcome.
Adam for not getting the transmission working, so
Yeah, I
Cricket
mean,
can hang
that's how I
out.
get the front end done.
You know, Dorothy, if you see this, you know what I mean.
Well, you know, I didn't
Let
do
me
my-
know if you don't need him, bro. I'm gonna take him down here.
I didn't do my best work because you literally didn't do any work. So you know, you get what you get.
It's messed up.
Bring this shit to my shop and I'll give you what I got.
Yeah, I love you.
Yeah, look, that's free work.
I like that.
Peel them labels off of there so it look real good.
Put it back on.
Oh! See, now it looks like it.
Okay.
Take a look at the fitment.
It's a little shimmy, Jimmy. It's a little shimmy. That's all we needed. What happens when you get a messed up front end? They saw the front bumper, right? Or the front hood of this thing. This is what we were working with. The whole front end got stoved in. They chopped it off, put a new front end in it. So we're working with what we got. It looks good.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, not bad for an afternoon.
All right, cool. As you guys seen in the last clip, Cricket killed it on the bar, the support bar for the bumper and the headlights. The car's looking good, but you know I wasn't gonna do this, but a good deal came up on a body kit. So we can still use the bar that Cricket made, but we got some big plans. Let me show you guys what we got. All right, cool. So the amazing deal that came up is a full Origin Lab kit for the Chaser. So we got the whole aggressive kit, and we got wide fronts and wide rears, which is pretty sweet. Check it out. So Sean was coming down from Connecticut, and want to give him a big shout out, Mr. Booth, for grabbing this for me and bringing it down. Saved me a shipping. So fortunately this video is a little bit short, but we got some big things coming. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because there's a lot more to do on this thing. It should be running here pretty soon. You never know, maybe in the next video. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, guys. See you later.